Backstitch is a very useful stitch to know. The small stitches done back and forth makes the backstitch the strongest stitch amongst the basic ones. To begin, bring your needle up through the back of your fabric and then go back down a stitch length forward. I am working from right to left, but you could be working from left to right. Then leaving a gap, bring your needle back up again. The gap should be of a similar length to the stitch itself. Next comes the backstitch part. Take your needle back down to the end of your previous stitch. So now your first and second stitches are directly next to each other. Repeat this to form your backstitch. So we'll bring our needle up through the fabric, leaving a gap a stitch length apart, and then back down to the end of your previous stitch. Continue this for as long as you need. If you're wanting to sew a straight line and you find you're going a little bit wonky, you can always rule a line with a fabric marker or chalk as a guideline to follow. And that is how you do a backstitch.